So far, we've experimented with layout changes at the canvas level. Just to refresh your memory, we've learned that we can move entire columns from one position to another at the individual breakpoint level, leaving other views untouched. We also saw that we can rearrange elements inside those columns at each breakpoint, such as shifting images around to further customize how you want your site to look on any given screen. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the layout changes that you can make from the design panel. You'll notice that whenever a container is selected, a property labeled layout appears in the design panel, which can be found on the upper right side of the screen. For example, on the main breakpoint, when I select the section under the layout property, we see that we have the option to either contain our content to 1200 pixels or enable full bleed to allow the content to stretch to fill the entire width of the viewport. When we move over to the mobile and tablet breakpoints, things get a bit more interesting. This is the default setting for how we want columns to appear within the section. Let's examine the icons on the screen to see what they're trying to tell us. Each of these dark shaded rectangles represents the columns we're working with in the editor. So by default, we instruct sections to order the columns within them from left to right. But by selecting the grid option, it will attempt to distribute the columns in a grid-like fashion. Or you can make each column appear as a row instead. Remember, these types of edits made at the individual breakpoint level will not be reflected on the other two breakpoints.